Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. We're going to do a full update. I covered Jasmy, I think on Friday or Thursday. I'm actually not completely sure, but I do want to know. It doesn't matter that much, alright? But I covered it when the price was still below this main resistance level right here. It's 1.35, 1.36 cents, and well, it was a pretty good video in hindsight because we talked about this move. All right, what I said in the video, to do a brief recap, and it doesn't matter if you did not watch the video, it's of no value to this analysis. But what we said in the video is that what we saw is that a lot of shorts were opened on Jasmy in this range right here, right? So when Bitcoin was pushing the bottoms and was being sold off, you saw quite a few late Jasmy shorts coming in. Like I believe with this move down, quite a few shorts were opened, and we can see that in the records, but I'm not sure if that's necessary. I mean, we saw it very clearly there. So what I said is that, you know, Jasmy is the ultimate candidate after also having touched this major support level at 1.15 cents, so 0.0115. That we can have some sort of a short squeeze, and I think that has happened, as you can see right here. And that, for that I do want to reference the order flow data right here, if we can. First of all, brief recap. Here you could see all the shorts coming in. You have these major spikes of open interest, the amount of positions opened, while the CVD dips down. And then here you can see that we're starting to get some. There were also some very late shorts right here. The 13th of March. We might have seen those back then as well. And then again right here, just in general, it was very, very over shorted. And you can see that led to some long leverage coming in right here. Also some late shorts again. And that ultimately caused, especially right here, for shorts to sell off. We even had right here some brief short liquidations, as you can see down here. And now it seems to me that we are on the decline, right? So that the shorts have been liquidated in this part of the move right here, and that now the actors, the players that have liquidated those shorts, or not liquidated, but at least have forced them out, that's a better word I guess, are also exiting their positions. So that's also the main question always with these short squeezes. Like, is it actually sustainable or not? And given the way that Jasmy has looked over the last couple of weeks, but over the last couple of months essentially already, I would argue that this is not going to turn into an uptrend, right? And I think most of you will agree with me on that. But I don't think this is going to lead to a high time frame uptrend. What I do still think, with Jasmy being so overshorted in the last couple of weeks, is there is still a chance that there's actually some liquidity up here, right? At 1.6, 1.5. Especially 1.6, that's the main resistance level that we would have to break if we want to turn bullish. So getting there is possible. Breaking above that, I don't think so, unless some sort of major manipulation happens. But for that move, for a potential extended short squeeze here, I would be prepared, right? So the main support level we have right here is between 1.4 and 1.36 cents. If at some point of time in that area right here, we get some sort of an open interest spike, right? So open interest, you can just follow wherever, but if that starts to increase again, like it did yesterday morning and Friday already, then I think we can still get that move. We can still get that move into 1.55, 1.6 before dropping back down and turning bearish again. But if we do not get that, and at this point of time we don't, so that's why what I think is most likely at this point of time is that we will just drop back down to supports, that we will find some support here and remain stable, but that ultimately we will fall back down lower towards 1.26 cents as well. Could still take some time that further drop. I mean, we have a pretty strong support level at 1.35, but given the fact that we do not have that open interest spike, that momentum spike, this is most likely, while I'm ready and I'm keeping my eyes on the order flow for Jasmy, for one more short squeeze up. But that's, I'll keep you updated on when I see indications of that happening. I'll make a video as soon as I can, so keep your eyes out on the channel for that one. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.